street. No peace, only what we know. Only what we know. Lost souls.
In this city, everyone sells something. Some sell their hopes, some sell their lies, and some sell themselves. At night, this city belongs to three kinds of people: predators, prey, and the fools who confuse the two.
Well, well, if it isn't HB, I almost missed that ugly face of yours, you bastard.
Some women know exactly what they're doing, and some know exactly who they should be talking to.
You don't look the same, HB. More tired. More broken. What the hell have you been up to?
And you, Bella, still here, still stuck in the same damn mess.
For some of us, the game never ends, sweetheart. You either play or get played.
Some people are unforgettable, and some never want to be forgotten.
Something's different about you tonight. You're dangerous again, aren't you?
Nothing's different, Bella. Just another night.
Used to be a guy around here, said HB doesn't love anyone, but they also said HB never forgets. That true?
Some questions have no answers, and some answers are just unnecessary.
You have to remember something to forget it, Bella.
Then at least I know, one day you'll remember me. Where are you headed?
Don't know, but as always, trouble.
Then be careful, and maybe drop by sometime. You know, sometimes a drink helps. Sometimes so does fucking someone.
Sometimes you don't go back, but sometimes you go just because you know someone is waiting. In this city, everyone waits for someone, but not everyone gets what they're waiting for. When you walk these streets, you have to watch your back. If you forget that, you've already lost. Watching your back isn't enough, because danger has already seen you. Doubt can betray a man, but sometimes it saves his life. If someone is following you, there are only two possibilities. Either they don't know what they're doing, or they've calculated every step. In this city, there's only one rule. The first to act is the last to live. If they keep following, they mean business. If they run, they are the real threat. And sometimes, the truth begins the moment you notice it. Every corner in this city could be a dead end. It doesn't matter how fast you run. If you don't know where you're going, you're already lost. But sometimes, getting lost is the best way to escape. In this city, those who run always lose. Stopping is the fastest way to get caught. Before you realize it, you can go from being the hunter to the hunted. Darkness isn't just the absence of light. Sometimes it's the presence of something else. These things don't breathe, they don't live, but they are hungry and impatient. Fire can be a weapon, but in the right hands, it opens doors. Invisible battles hold the same truth and weight as those seen by the world. Some signs are only seen by those who pay attention, and some enemies only get warned once. Tonight, HB didn't run, but some answers only reveal themselves in the deepest part of the night. Was this just a warning, or the beginning of something worse? He would find out soon enough. If you walk into a police station in this city, you're either a criminal or chasing a secret. But in the end, both lead to the same door.
Who the hell is that guy? If even half the stories about him are true, the last thing you want to do is step on his shadow.
Getting in is easy, HB. Let's see if walking out will be just as smooth.
Some doors are forced open in this city, but the most dangerous ones open all on their own. Some fear guns, others fear death, but the truly smart ones fear looking the wrong man in the eye.
Enough with the intimidation, HB. The guy's already about to piss himself. There's something I didn't tell you over the phone, HB. And now, it's time to talk.
What's so important?
This bullet isn't ordinary. It's laced with snake venom. A high dose, enough to kill a man in minutes.
Some bullets are fired to kill, others are fired to send a message.
All right. What was the message?
You didn't die, HB, but someone really wanted you to.
Who the hell wants me dead this bad?
That's what we need to figure out, because even the gang members there don't seem to know.
Then we need to ask someone who does.
Sometimes, the biggest secrets come from the most frightened men.
I have questions, pal. And unfortunately for you, no one's coming to save you.
I don't know. I swear I don't know anything.
You see, getting someone to talk is never a problem for me. But for you, it's gonna be a painful process. First your fingers, then your knees. How long do you think you'll last?
Sometimes a man's fear speaks before he does.
the shadows creep. Money in my pocket, but the price ain't cheap. Enemies watching, trying to take my name. One shot, one move, welcome to the game. Black car tinted windows, rolling it slow. Jokers in the deck, but they don't wanna show. Death whispers, playing tricks in my mind. Streets got no mercy, better stay in line. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. One wrong move and you'll end up dead. City lights cold, but my heart stay colder. Trigger finger ready, no time for a shoulder. Fist clenched tight, demons in my sight. Deals go down when the clock strikes midnight. Fake smiles, crooked cops, snakes in disguise. Can't trust a soul when you're living with lies. Smoke in the air, liquor spilling on the floor. Heartbeat fast, knocking at the devil's door. Gunshots echo like a deadly drum. Once you step in, ain't nowhere to run. Tick, tick, time's running out fast. No second chances when you living in the past. Ghosts in my head, voices call my name. Gotta make a move before they dig my grave. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. One wrong move and you'll end up dead. City lights cold, but my heart stay colder. Trigger finger ready, no time for a shoulder. Finger ready, no time for a shoulder. Lights go dim, another story untold. Kings rise up, but the legends die cold. Bulletproof dreams in a world so hollow. Ride or die, no time to follow.